What's up, guys? We're gonna do an unboxing today, but I've got good news for you guys. It's great news for me. Could be good news for you guys. Come over here and look at this. This is the new iRobot J7. There's the price I paid. I don't want to show personal. There it is. I paid $636.75. These are normally $850 plus tax. And if you read here, it says used acceptable. Item has major cosmetic damages, but still usable. Large cosmetic imperfection on top, bottom, sides, so on. It says the item will come repackaged. DJ, show them the packaging. Does that look repackaged to you? No, it has not been, but DJ, you can show them this. This is the only thing I see. So what happened was this probably fell off their shelf or a fork went through it or something. But it's not repackaged. The item has never been opened. So we're gonna unbox this and see what $636 gets you compared to $850 in acceptable condition, which I don't see how they know it's acceptable condition when it hasn't been opened. So let's see what we got here. I'll probably damage it with this knife. Yeah, guys, honestly, I was expecting this to be in a different box and completely trashed. But with Amazon, if it's no good, they'll take it back. All right, so come over here, D, you can see it just really depends on what damage is in here, if any. Let's pull it out of this box. Yeah, this is the new J7. To me, this is their new flagship because to me, the S9 is not a flagship anymore. The S9 was garbage to me. It always has been, and in my eyes, it always will be. So a lot of you guys can comment down below and tell me how much you love your S9, but I did not like it. Too many problems, and it did not clean thick carpet very well. All right, let's see what this gets us, because like I said, I haven't opened it yet, and I'm hoping it's not damaged. No, it's not gonna be damaged. You got your card, pluck it, file it, get it out of here. All right, this is gonna be your accessory box. And move that knife. Cord. They do give you an extra filter. There should be maybe an extra side brush in here too, but oh, real good protection over the robot. Yeah, so guys, obviously it's perfect. The robot's down on the bottom, the damage was at the top. This is a home run. So let's get the robot out. I've seen other unboxing videos where they just get in there and grab that robot out of there. There it is. Nice. It's got some good weight to it. Man, I can smell it from here. Let's do the smell test. Woo-hoo! Smells like money. These things are expensive, man. These are, oh my gosh, that's awesome. It smells like money, guys. And I saved money. All right, we'll get the clean base out of here. Man, this thing smells delicious. All right, that's it in the box. Now, I followed the CEO on iRobot. And when we take off this bag, Adam, out of the way. This is, oh, that is pretty nice. That is an actual leather strap. It's got a bag in here ready to go, and then an extra bag. Obviously, as you guys know, when you go to pull it out, this closes, all the dirt's trapped inside, you just throw this bag in the trash. Which is why I like bag systems with a bag. Bagless ones are way too messy, forget that. I'm not, yeah. Smell that leather. I think it's cashmere. That's worth, that strap alone is worth the money for this robot. All right. All right. Yeah, I was not, there's instructions, we don't need that. I was not expecting, let me see that camera. Yeah, I was not expecting this robot to be brand spanking new. So this is the new clean base. It's got a little, I guess it's like a QR code. And they said that that's going to be more reliable for the robot to find its base. Because I know you guys that have had iRobots in the past, they will sometimes get lost and not return to their base. Supposedly that is a real 100% real silver. Yeah, right. It is supposed to be silver plated, not plastic. So the silver plated top, the little leather pull tab, it's all the little things that iRobot does to make a premium product. Obviously a premium price unless you get it for the price that I paid. So if you guys see acceptable, on Amazon, and it scares you with heavy damage, and you know, you think you're going to open it and dust is going to fly out and hair and, you know, dog hair, cat hair, everything on it, probably not, guys. So I'm giving away a little secret here, but try it out. I bought my i7, which is over here, which I'm going to sell. I bought this for $340 in acceptable condition. It was supposed to come damaged. It was brand spanking new. It had no hours on it whatsoever. And then I've got this, the M6, which my brother calls a turd. A lot of people do not like the mop, but you know, it goes with the. So what this will do is it'll go out and clean, and then immediately after the robot docks, the M6 mop will go out and mop over the area that this just vacuumed. So that's all I wanted to do, a short video, see what you guys think in the comment section. If you guys do buy one, right now there is none available. There was 2 available when I bought this one. So somebody bought the other one a few hours after I bought mine. So I would suspect that there's me and one other guy very happy with what we just bought for, what, $250 less. So, well, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.